Welcome to Karbi Anglong.
एक काम कर खोल लॉकर कट पे है फिर लॉक कर
All the tourists starts to clean up the street.
Sure, why not?
Guys, this is delicious. Like so different and unique. Like what are the ingredients?
It is our ethnic food called okimo.
Ni vendor kali itu tango. Ni camera person lo tango.
People will be a guide and also local vendors. So we will be having 5 scenarios. So we'll begin with scene 1, where tourists will come to the bus station.
Wow! I heard this place is full of wonderful hills, waterfalls, and delicious food.
Let's see if it's really worth visiting here.
Welcome, Kardom, my friends. You are about to discover experiences you will never forget. I'm your guide, and I will be guiding you throughout the sceneries that we are about to witness today.
Kardom?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Kardom means welcome in our Karbi traditional language.
Kardom.
Moving ahead to scene 2, where the tourists will be exploring attractions. They will go to Dikrutpi waterfalls.
So, my friends, here we have our famous Dikrutpi waterfall and the green forest where nature sings.
People will eat chips and throw away the wrapper.
Wow, very tasty.
The tourists saw the wrappers and they will be willing to pick it up.
Let's just pick it up. Yeah.
All the tourists starts to clean up the wrapper around. Locals saw the tourists picking up the wrapper. They were talking among themselves. Scene 3. The tourists will meet the local vendors.
जल्दी वहां से हटो तोरा माई के चौदह उतर
Wow. So they sell the local vegetables which are freshly brought from their own gardens and also the meat that they have prepared on their places.
Local dishes.
Sure, why not?
कुछ भी
Guys, this is delicious. Like so different and unique. Like what are the ingredients?
It is our ethnic food called okimo. It is made with local fish, sesame, turmeric, ginger, and garlic, wrapped around with fresh turmeric leaves and boiled, steamed in bamboo.
Okay, wow.
Really nice.
Never heard of before.
वाह दीदी वाह दीदी दीदी वाह दीदी दीदी
Glad you like it, sir and ma'am.
Yeah, very much.
Let's move on ahead.
Scene 4, they will go and watch the cultural performance.
area is so rich. I feel like I'm part of something different.
Yes, sir. It is called Miso Kirung, which means it is a traditional dance which is performed by the Karbi people. And then Nimso means maiden, and Kirung refers to the dance.
That's great.
अभी बदत है भाई, अभी बदत है. अभी तूने गाड़ में उंगली किया ना, अभी बदत है.
2 drunk locals entered the scene.
Nangtum nason kali. Nangtum majoy ni si itum along ri ke tourist bang bang komre lo. Latung ke itum agyas lo. Tourist atum wangwe pulote itum along ri ke chingkur khelo. Lapen chatang khelo. Dia chahang danot. So my friends, this is not just a place. It's an experience full of nature, culture, and hospitality.
Guys, we must tell everyone to visit.
Yes, must.
So, let's say it all together. Come, explore, and enjoy the beauty of our land, Karbi Anglong, Kardom.
आज के लिए फिलहाल इतना ही। आपकी तरह मैं भी मायूस हूँ, लेकिन उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है। दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, और उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है। इसलिए आज के लिए इतना ही।